Hi guys, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about using in-text citations. And in-text citations allow you to give credit to the author and tell the reader where you can find the information. So some of you put paragraphs, and that's fine for our purposes, but in a paper, it's probably best to avoid them. What would happen is that if you have the author's last name, you're going to put the author's last name in parentheses. Technically, if it's a website, you don't need to put the page numbers. I enjoy having them so that I can get to them. But remember, if you don't make reference to that in the sentence, and it's Hughes 1, for example, if you do make reference in Hughes, it's just the page number. Remember that you need to cite everything that isn't coming from you, your interpretation or your own opinion. So if you say, in my opinion, you don't need an in-text citation. But if it's any information from the article, you need to include the author and the page number. I hope that helps. Another resource that I think is just wonderful is called Columbia College. And what it does is that it allows you to understand how to use a works cited entry and how that entry would translate into an in-text citation. I hope that helps. And as always, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.